Boosting your metabolic rate can aid in losing body fat, but many fat-burning supplements on the market are unsafe, ineffective, or both. Luckily, several natural foods and beverages have been proven to increase metabolism and promote fat loss. Here are the top 11 healthy foods that may help you burn fat. Number 1, fatty fish. Salmon, herring, sardines, mackerel, and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can aid in losing body fat. These fish are also excellent sources of high-quality protein, which can enhance feelings of fullness and boost your metabolic rate. Many health organizations recommend eating 2 servings, 3 ounces each, of fatty fish per week to reap these benefits. Number 2, MCT oil. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, oil is derived from palm oil and is metabolized differently than the long-chain fatty acids found in most foods. Research indicates that MCTs can boost your metabolic rate, reduce hunger, and help retain muscle mass during weight loss. Studies show that replacing fat in your diet with 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of MCT oil daily can enhance fat burning. Start with 1 teaspoon and gradually increase to avoid digestive side effects. If you're loving this video, don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts. Number 3, coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages globally and is a great source of caffeine, which can help you burn fat. To enjoy the fat-burning benefits of caffeine without experiencing side effects like anxiousness or insomnia, limit your intake to no more than 400 milligrams per day. This amount is roughly equivalent to 4 cups or so, depending on its strength. Keep in mind that some people are more sensitive to caffeine and may need to consume less. Number 4, eggs. Despite concerns about their high cholesterol content, whole eggs can aid in weight loss. They are nutrient-dense and packed with protein, which help curb hunger and prevent overeating. A 2017 study found that a high-protein diet reduced hunger by 16% and increased daily fullness by 25%. Eggs are also filling due to the calorie burn during protein digestion. Consuming up to 3 eggs a week can help burn fat while keeping you full and satisfied. However, eating more than this has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Number 5, green tea. Green tea not only provides a moderate amount of caffeine, but it's also rich in EGCG, an antioxidant that promotes fat burning and belly fat loss. While research indicates that green tea can boost metabolism and reduce body fat, most studies are needed to confirm these findings. Nevertheless, drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily may offer a range of health benefits. Number 6, whey protein. Consuming whey protein can help suppress appetite by stimulating the release of fullness hormones like PYY and GLP-1. Additionally, whey protein boosts fat burning and promotes weight loss. A whey protein shake makes for a quick meal or snack option that supports fat loss and can improve body composition. Number 7, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, an ancient folk remedy, offers evidence-based health benefits. Animal studies suggest that its main component, acetic acid, may increase fat burning and reduce belly fat storage, though more human studies are needed. Start with 1 teaspoon per day diluted in water and gradually increase to 1 tablespoon per day to minimize digestive discomfort. Number 8, chili peppers. Chili peppers are packed with powerful antioxidants, including capsaicin, which can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight by promoting fullness and preventing overeating. Try incorporating chili peppers or cayenne pepper into your meals several times a week to spice things up and support your weight loss goals. Number 9, oolong tea. Oolong tea contains polyphenols, compounds that help reduce blood sugar and body weight. It also has caffeine, which promotes weight and body fat loss. Drinking a few cups of green tea, oolong tea, or a combination of the two regularly may support fat loss and offer other health benefits. However, most research on oolong tea and weight loss is based on animal studies, so more human research is needed. Number 10, full-fat Greek yogurt. Full-fat Greek yogurt is extremely nutritious. First, it's an excellent source of protein, potassium, and calcium. Research also suggests that eating high-protein dairy products can boost weight and fat loss. Eating 2 servings of dairy, such as Greek yogurt, daily may provide a number of health benefits, but make sure to choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Number 11, olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats on earth. Most of olive oil is composed of oleic acid, which has been shown to have a positive effect on fat and body mass. To incorporate olive oil into your daily diet, drizzle a couple of tablespoons on your salad or add it to your cooked food. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.